be pleased to have been successful.
That has taken more than 20 centuries to evolve. But if in one word, before the signal goes up for me to stop being a cinema star, I might say what my country says to you. It says in the words of the old Hindu prayer that rises up in every home, night after night, Shanti, 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 peace, peace, peace. And I think whether it be the old world or the new world, the whole purpose of our civilization is to create and to sustain those conditions of peace for our own homes and for the homes of the nations of the world.